Welcome to another review video of some new hair tools that I'm going to be testing out. This is what I'm going to be trying out today. It is a 5-in-1 curling wand set. This is the one I'm most excited about, the Waver. And then there's 4 other curling wands on here, curling wands and curling irons with the clamp. And I'm going to be showing each of these and how the curls look and do a comparison so you guys can see the different sizes and how tight the coils are. And then I'm going to really be showing the Deep Waver because I'm so excited to finally have one of these. And yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today. So keep watching and enjoy. First, let's take a look at what you get inside the box when you open it up. You get a nice bag here. You open it up, and all the goodies are inside. It looks like it comes with some heat protectant gloves, a couple of the crop clips, an instruction manual, and this bag looks to be a heat resistant type material, so it won't burn the bag if you put it back in there hot. We shall test that out and see. First up is the 3-barrel hair waver, the 1-inch curling iron with clamp, the 1 1/2 inch curling iron with clamp, the 0.75 to 1.25 inch conical curling wand, the 0.35 to 0.75 inch. It has 5 different adjustable temperatures, ranging from the highest being at 430 down to 392, 356, 320, and 284 being the lowest. For myself personally, I always use the lowest heat setting because my hair is just so fine. It really doesn't take that much heat to get a curl. Very fast heat up time. It has the cool tip up top if you need to grab, and it's got a nice swivel cord. It also has a 60-minute auto shut off, which is very good just in case you forget and leave it on. That's a very handy thing to have. Each iron is infused with argan oil, keratin, and tourmaline technology. And I think that's just about it. So let's give these a try and see how they look. Taking the crop clips, I'm just gonna section off my hair and work on the bottom here. I'm just gonna take a little section towards the back. I start at the top and wrap around. And there we go, cute little ringlet curl. These are so fun to have when it's all over your head, just because it lasts a long time. Each day it just gets a little bit more relaxed, but the curls last forever. The only down thing is it takes forever to do because you have to do kind of little sections. And then right next to the cute ringlet curl, I'm gonna do the size up for the Conicurl, other Conicurl wand. And there is the next size up, a lot more relaxed. Okay, I'm gonna move over to this side of my head. Again, starting with the smaller 1-inch. And then these are the curling irons. Here is the 1-inch curling iron with the clamp. And moving right along to the last of the curling irons. Doing the Big Daddy 1 1/2. And here is the 1 1/2 inch, a lot more relaxed. If my hair was longer, it'd probably show a little bit more curl. Here is a comparison of all 4 side by side, just so you can see really what each curl is going to look like, depending on, of course, your hair type and hair length. Now let's move on to the one I'm most excited about, the 3-barrel waver. I'm going to take a thicker section up near the front of my head. Let's see, I haven't tried one of these in so many years, so let's give this a shot. I'm gonna flip it over and try it on the other side. So with the clamp facing down. I feel like I can see what I'm doing better with the clamp down. And don't hold it too close to your scalp because it's super hot. Even on the lowest setting, it's a little spicy. And when you move down, you want to get it into the next groove so you're not doing it on top of each other. Another reason I like to have the clamp down, so the big part right here is going down and then the two ones are up, because I did it the opposite way and you can see a line there. So, but when you flip it over, you don't get the line. And you can kind of style it up however you want. I think that is so cute. All of the curling wands did really good. They got hot very fast, just on the lowest setting. I have laid all the curling wands down after I took them off when they're still hot on the mat, and it doesn't seem to be melting or doing anything funky on here. I think it is a very good kit for different curling irons and types. So you get the two Kana curls, the two ones with clamps, the barrel. I think it's such a great variety, especially if you don't really know what length that you want to try. Check it out on Amazon. It's going to be on there. The company said that they're going to have some coupons that you can clip. Of course, I'll link everything in the description so you can go check it out for yourself. And just because I'm curious, let me know in the comments if you prefer a curling wand or a curling iron with the clamp. Also, let me know if you've tried a 3-barrel hair waver or if you would try one. Yeah, I would love to know, so let me know in the comments. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you in my next one. Bye! But wait.
Before you go, I'll miss you so please subscribe to my channel and like this video.